Good day, class. Welcome to today's class. I am Mr. T. Today, we are to look at a very topic that is before us. And this topic is more like an algebra. But sometimes, we ought to know that when you are given a questions, you might not be told that this is a particular topic you are solving. But reading the question, we should be able to have idea of how to go about the question. Now let's look at what the question talks about and let's see how we can unravel this question. The question says, if x equal to a plus 3 all over 2a plus 1 and a comma is there, that is to say this is x. They have told us that this is s. Express this in terms of a. Express this in terms of what? A. Now, if you are told to express this in terms of a, we have been told to express this particular question and the x is this. I think this is actually very direct. If you actually understand what mathematics language is all about. Now let's solve this. Solution. This is x, which is very, very glaring. And this is the questions, right? So you can now decide and said, since this is x, you can go ahead and said 2. Remember this is s. Now we substitute this for x. Are you getting me now? Which is going to become the whole of this now. Remember this is x. So anywhere you find x on these questions, you place the whole of this there. Because they have told us that this is x. So go ahead and open bracket for it and said a plus 3, which is x, all over what? 2a plus 1, close bracket. Now this is 2 and this is x plus 1 all over 3. This is another x, that means the whole of this. A plus 3 all over what? 2a plus 1, close bracket, plus 1. Now, having done this, the next thing we should think of doing is how to open up the bracket, because it's very important that you do that. In multiplying this, which we know that bracket means times. Since we've known that bracket means times, we are going to multiply all the numerator. We're going to multiply the numerator by this 2, which means we're going to have 2a plus, if you times it, we should have what? 6, because you are multiplying all the numerator. Then the denominator remains the way it is, which is what? 2a plus 1 plus 1 all over. The same thing applicable. 3 times a to give us 3 times a should give us 3a plus 3 times 3 will give us 9. We have 9 all over 2a plus 1. What we have, guess what? Plus 1. What we just done here now, we just open up the bracket. That's what you've done here. Now the next thing that should come to your mind as a student or a person solving this question is, we can actually look at it that this is balanced, but this one here is not balanced. We can decide to make it balanced by putting one under like this to make it balanced. So we can actually do the needful. From this state, what do we do now? I think what we should do now is look for the LCM of this and this, which is 2a plus 1 and 1. And you agree with me that the LCM, since they are not an ordinary whole number, then the whole of 2a plus 1 should be the LCM. So we're going to have it as the denominator of the whole of this numerator, which is 2a plus 1. Now all over. Now we are dealing with just, sorry, let me just do it right. So we are dealing with only the whole of this numerator. We'll come down to the denominator shortly, but let's finish up with the numerator. Now, if you look at now, this 2a plus 1 goes here will give us what? 1. 1 times the numerator will give us 2a plus 6. 2a plus 6. We are done with that. Then second one here, 1 into this will give us 2a plus 1. That's meaning dividing it will give us 2a plus 1. 2a plus 1 times the numerator that is on at the top here will also give us what? Plus what? 2a plus 1. I think that is clear. This goes here, 2a plus 1. 2a plus 1 times this give us what? 2a plus 1. I think that is done. Now, we are done with the whole of the numerator. Now, let's go down to the denominator. The LCM is still remain as 2a plus 1, the same thing applicable. 2a plus 1. Now say 2a plus 1 goes here, will give us 1. 1 times 3a plus 9 will give us what? 3a plus 9. We're done with that. Now, the next one, now 1 goes here, give us 2a plus 1. 2a plus 1 times 1 will give us what? We get the same thing as plus what? 2a plus 1. We're done with that. Now, I haven't done this. The next stage now is we'll collect like term. If you look at this and this, they look actually the same, which means we're adding it together. We'll have collect like term from here. We have this plus this will give us 4a. Now, this plus will give us what? Plus what? 7. Then we go on to say all over. We have 2a plus 1. The next one here is we add this one here. We have 5a. Then here we should have plus what? 10. Because 9 plus 1 will give us 10. 3a plus 2a will give us what? 5a. So all over what? What do you have here? 2a plus 1. Now, having done this, the next thing to do now is we ought to divide them, because the reason for dividing them is because if you look at it now, we can't do anything other than this now. We have division sign here, and this division sign here means that we're going to divide the whole of the first one and the whole of the second one. So I don't know, we can actually decide to solve that here because of, okay, let's do that here. You can decide to take this and say 4a plus 7 all over 2a plus 1 divided by 5a plus 10 all over 2a plus 1. Now, in dividing, we're going to change the division to times, which is going to be 4a plus 7 all over 2a plus 1 times. We have to reciprocate, which means this goes up and this comes down, which is going to be 2a plus 1 all over what? 5a plus 10. At this stage, you cancel out this. What is left out is 4a plus 7 all over what? 5a plus 10. This is our answer. It's as easy as that. You ought to just follow the steps and you see yourself getting it right. If you don't understand any steps, you can actually choose to rewind back in order to get it rightly. If you love what you've seen, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. I remember myself, Mr. T.